Hello everyone, welcome to Go Get My Guru. In this session, we'll discuss how to find average length of a word in a given sentence in Python. To give user input, first we'll write user input is equal to input and enter the string. Enter the sentence. And to split the words in sentence, write words is equal to user input dot split. Then print the words by giving the sentence splitted into words. And to find the length of the word, write total word is equal to length words. Then write one print function to print the total number of words in sentence. And to find length of characters in word, write characters is equal to length of word for word in words. Then write to find total number of characters, that is total characters is equal to sum of characters. Then print total number of characters in sentence. And to find average, write average is equal to total characters by total word. And then print the average of sentence is. Let's run this code and we'll give hello, go get my guru. The sentence splitted into two words, that is hello and go get my guru. The total number of words in sentence is 2 and total number of characters in sentence is 16. The average of sentence is 8. And then next is average length of word in given sentence by object-oriented concept in Python. First we'll create a class, named it as average, and define a function, call it as average length with self parameter. Then for user input, write user input is equal to input, enter the sentence. To split words, write words is equal to user input dot split function. Then print the words. To find total number of word in sentence, write total word is equal to length of words. Then print total number of words. To find length of characters in the given sentence, write characters is equal to length of word for word in words. Then find total number of characters is equal to sum of character. Then print the total characters by giving print function. And to find average length of a given sentence, write average is equal to total characters divided by total word. Then in print function, print this average. Hence it is object oriented concept. We need to create object for this average class. So write average length is equal to average. Average length is the object which is created for average class. Then by using this object, we'll call the method that is average length in main function, and then we'll call the main function by evaluating if condition. Let's run this code and we'll enter the sentence hi, hello, everyone. Here the sentence is splitted into words hi, hello and everyone. The total number of words in sentence is 3. Total number of characters in sentence is 15. The average length of given sentence is 5. It means 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next session. Keep coding. Happy learning.